When crypto is pumping, you have to secure your money. When crypto is dumping, of course, also you have to secure your money. That's why on this channel, we had multiple videos about how to secure your crypto using hardware wallets or secure exchanges. But with all of these safety measures, there's always one weak link. It's your password. That's why today we're talking about a free end-to-end encrypted password manager by Proton, which is called Proton Pass. And of course, if you're watching this video, you can find the link in the description to use this password manager. But simply put, you have hundreds or maybe thousands of different accounts, different hardware devices, and it's really hard to keep up with all this information. That's why often you reuse passwords, you forget to set up two-factor authentications. That's why I always recommend everyone to use password managers because it's free, it's easy to use, and it's totally secure. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the manager, how it works, all the different features, why I personally use Proton products like their Proton VPN, Proton Mail, and now Proton Pass because they have best end-to-end encryption. And of course, it comes without saying, this is not financial advice. I don't recommend buying any crypto tokens. So let's head in right to the Proton Pass website. You can find the link in the description. As usual, if you use my link, you get everything for free. They also have some professional plans we're going to talk about a bit later. So we have this main tagline, the best free password manager. And again, Proton is one of the most trusted companies in the world for the security because again, they have secure emails, secure VPN, which I use daily. And also now they have the password manager, which I also use daily. So first of all, they have services for businesses and individuals. I think most of you watching are individuals. And we have multiple ways to use it. So the first one, you can actually download their Chrome extension, which works on Brave and all the different Chromium browsers, which will allow you, similar to, I would say, to Google passwords, except more securely, create really hard passwords, save them, autofill them, two-factor authentications, and also what they call, actually have it written down, hide my email signups, which is pretty similar to what Apple does. So right now they have 100 plus million accounts. As I mentioned, this is not a new thing. Lots of people are using it because it actually works. But if you scroll down, you can actually learn all about the features. Also, one of the cool things, if you watch YouTube, tech YouTube, especially Linus, also a big fan of Proton, which is a big thing for me because his channel is all about technology and actually deep dives into the tech and encryption, and actually they think this is a really secure product, which is the most important thing when you're picking password manager. So let's talk about the features, and then we're going to jump into actual platform because I have a demo test account for obvious reasons. I don't want to show my passwords on the screen. So first of all, you can protect emails with aliases. So automatically create unique email addresses to safeguard corporate addresses, reduce spam, and block phishing accounts. And this is really important for me as a YouTuber, crypto YouTuber especially, because everyone wants to hack my wallets. Everyone thinks I'm holding all my money on my browser wallets, and they get phishing attacks every day. And this actually allows me to get less emails, less trash, and less spam. Again, if you jump in right here, you have multiple options. You can create multiple different vaults. So we have personal vault. You can click right here, create items, create aliases. You can create probably 10 for free. Let's click on it and you can create whatever alias you want. Again, it's all completely free. Let's jump in back. After that, we have simplified two-factor authentication. So secure, store, autofill, and display two-factor authentication codes for your team, saving time while keeping accounts protected. And this is a big issue. I think most of you would like to have two-factor authentications, but sometimes it takes a really long time to actually verify and log in. And for that reason, you are keeping your accounts wide open for the hackers. So this will simplify it and make it faster for teams and also for personal use. Next up, you can safely share sensitive information. So send passwords, codes, and credit cards. So again, if you jump into account, you can create here credit cards, notes, aliases, logins, and you can also share right here with your family members or, I don't know, best friends or your girlfriend, which is not recommended. Next up, you can organize everything in one place. So you can attach files or documents to your stored credentials so that you can access account-related information quickly and secure. Again, if you're creating item, for example, I don't know, login, you can put in what login it is. I have, for example, bank, put in your email or username, password, two-factor authentication, website where you're going to be using this login, notes, and you can add any files you want right here to make it easier, or maybe you have some document connected with this login. After that, stay alert to data breaches. And this is really important because Proton Pass will let you know if your password is compromised, allowing you to change your password quick before bad actors try to send some phishing attacks or try to hack your accounts. It's really important right now because lots of accounts have been hacked lately, like millions of passwords are out there, and lots of people know your passwords. And if you don't have two-factor authentication, it's really easy to hack your account. So it's really, really important, especially if you're in crypto, for example, centralized exchanges. If you're using the same password for example, Bybit or any big exchange where you hold your money, Coinbase, and same password, for example, I don't know, for like car sharing or like Bolt, Uber, your password could be already out there and people are just waiting to catch your two-factor authentication or some kind of information like face verification, something to actually crack your account and steal your money. So this is really important to have two-factor authentication and also know all about the latest breaches and also hide your emails with aliases as much as possible. After that, reduce risk with the passkey, so log in securely with the phishing-resistant passkeys and enjoy safer online experience. So basically, this will give you additional safety because, first of all, Proton Pass, when you download the extension, you can see you can download the extension right here. When you have the extension, it will allow you to autofill all the different logins. It will also generate really hard passwords, which are almost impossible to crack, and also save them with the end-to-end encryption inside your password manager, which is like on one system. And again, it's totally free. Why not? And after that, we have compliance, supporting, end-to-end encryption, and all the techie stuff. So again, I think this is a really powerful tool. Again, it's free. If you jump into pricing, it's totally free. If you want to get a professional plan, you get more additional features. And if using the solution as a business, of course, they have some business plans. But to me, what really stands out, first of all, Proton is famous for end-to-end encryption and safe products. Proton Mail, I use it. Proton VPN, connected right now. Proton Passwords, I use as my password protection. So again, a really trusted ecosystem. Next up, they have lots of users, great reviews. And again, if you check out their platform, super easy to use. Just select create vaults, like a personal vault, or trash vault if you want. Click create item. You can create logins. You can create aliases. You can create cards, so just put in the cards, easy to fill after, identities, other, and also can create some really, really hardcore passwords. So guys, if you want to use Proton Pass, you can find the link in the description. And of course, I'm begging you, please keep your crypto safe. See you next time.